Barney out there protecting my goods. How's it going? Hi. Shh. He's a good cat. We call him Barney because we found him in the barn. He just was there one day as a small little kitten, and so we kept him. He's gonna come up and see me now. Yeah, this video is just gonna be about some of the animals that are on the farm here. Unfortunately, it is kind of hard to make a video sometimes when it's this temperature. It's actually -6 out here, but it's +15 in my barn, or in my greenhouse, excuse me. Hi, Barney. Hi, Barney boy. Hey, Barney boy. Yeah, he's a good cat. So yeah, follow with me, and I'm gonna show you around the farm a little bit and show you some of the animals that are still on this farm. This is the food forest right here. Barney, Barney. He just likes to play. Catches a lot of voles, but he's a good cat, and he spans this entire property, so you can see he goes all the way up to the front, and then he comes back here and protects my food forest. You can't see through those things, but yeah, he comes way back there, and he keeps all the animals at bay, well, at least some of them. It's 15 degrees in here. It's like -6 outside. So with that sunshine, just goes to show you how much heat you can actually get in the greenhouse. What's up? Wait, he wants to talk. What's going on? Say hi. Say hi to all the viewers. Well, the sun's out now. It's like 25 in the greenhouse now. Spent about an hour in there cleaning up. These are the 4 girls left. These are the 4 originals. We keep them around, keep the grass fed, or grass down, weeds in control, and because we like them. Right, guys? Right, girls? Yeah, I like you too. Yeah, I know. See, they're all pretty friendly too. We treat them well. We got some chickens over here scratching. This is only some of the chickens. We have about 40 of these chickens, so let's go on in there, take a look. What's going on, beautiful? You gonna say hi to everybody? You gonna say hi to everybody, huh? How about you? You come for a walk? Come on. All right, so it's actually not bad here now. I think it's a little warmer than it was when I left. -6 when I got out to the greenhouse. It's got to be about, I don't know, -1 maybe. So we got these are Rhode Island Reds over here. These are our layers. We've got a couple of roosters. They make a lot of noise. These guys just made it way out here to scratch. So let's go into this. This is the other one here. This is where we have our white ones. I don't know what these are called, but these are the same chickens you'd get at, say, KFC or I don't know, any chicken place, I'm sure. These are the more factory type chickens. You can see like they are massive. So they should have come down in about 6 weeks. But these guys are just massive, like they're turkey size. And we got quite a few still left. Yeah, I don't know if we're getting any eggs or not. But yeah, these are the white ones that we have here. All right, let's go see if we can find some eggs in the front. All right, so we have a little hatchery in here, but we don't have nothing in it right now. My brother is actually raising some eggs right now at home. So this is also where they'd be too, is they have their little enclosure in here, but it's closed. They're not even supposed to be in here. This is the barn where we keep all the feed and everything. And if you look back here, there's a chicken right there in the corner. Robbie laid some eggs, and there's some just over there. There's 3 eggs right there. So yeah, that's just a start. Let's go check out the main coop there, where the aviary is. You follow me? Look at the rooster. He's actually quite pretty. Nice colors in his tail feathers and everything. And there's some out here in the pen. Now this is where we raise our cows and pigs. Gracie passed away. She was the star of the show, and we haven't replaced her. So, and we have plenty of beef in the freezer, and I don't think we're going to do pigs again unless we do it a different way or with a different type. So there's some more over here. Let's get out the aviary there. So when they got a whole bunch more chickens, they built this little, well, I helped build it, whatever. My dad built it. It's just a shelter with a little coop in here. Little lane box. Let's see how it's doing. There's a chicken in there, but no eggs, so they might have been collected already. Who knows? And then we go over here to the aviary. I think they just put this up here to keep some of the warmth inside. So this is their aviary. Oh, we got a chickie in here. So take a look later. There'll be more eggs. There's always more eggs, and they're really coming into their own right now with it getting warmer, and the chickens are old enough. So also our neighbors have a whole bunch of chickens too, and theirs are a little more orange color. They're like a light orange. Okay, so last thing I want to show you is our protector dogs. Bunny. What's going on, buddy? Barney. Hey, you. Come here. Hey, come here. Come on. Come here. Yeah, that boy. There you go. He just likes cuddles all the time. He sleeps all the time. I don't know where he finds the time to catch the mice. We'd have to fire you. But yeah, just another shot of Barney. He's a good cat. Good cat. And you can hear the chickens on the other side here. They're just everywhere. It's all chaos. It's not how I do it, but you know, it doesn't matter. They're free run. They taste the same. Hey, so here's our guard dogs and our cuddles and our hugs. And yeah, this is Arrow. He's our main hunter. He likes to grab all the what do you call the raccoons and the possums. They always seem to have a little present out in the front yard. And maybe even a small turkey if he gets a hold of it. But he stays away from the chickens. He knows better now. He learned not to take out the goats. We had to teach him that one. And she can grab a squirrel, but not very often. She's more for just cuddles. But yeah, this is our family on the farm. So I just wanted to show that to everybody. And you can't really have a farm without animals because it's just too lonely. There you go. Peeking out, are you? You get out of here. You're not allowed in here. Okay.